Let's meet down at the lonely lake.
Welcome to my garden. It is mid-March when the daffodils start to flower. I have a variety called Ice King. It is a pale yellow color that eventually fades to a creamy white. I think they work really well with the yellow hellebores. As I showed in my previous videos, I bought some new hellebores at a nursery, and today it is time to plant them into the garden. I like to plant my hellebores close to the house so that I can see them flowering from the kitchen window when it is too cold to sit outside. I found a perfect spot for them in the border behind the box domes. Before I start planting, I leave them for a while and have another look with a fresh pair of eyes if it is indeed the right spot for them. I'm pleased with where they are, so I start planting by digging a hole as deep as the pot. I like to check the depth before I take them out of the pot. I think it's deep enough. I carefully take the plant out of the pot. It is quite root bound, so I'm loosening the roots so that it is easier for them to grow out into the soil. Then push the soil around the plant and gently firm it in. And finally, I give them a good watering. At the back of my garden, next to the wooden bench, I have another display of terracotta pots, where another daffodil just started flowering. It is a variety called Replete, and it is the first time that I grow this variety, and I absolutely adore it. It is a white variety with a double-petaled center with a splash of apricot, that in time fades to a more soft apricot color. I like how the three groups of hellebores between the box domes matches the hellebores in the garden behind them. I think that the daffodils are looking better every day now that they start to fade to a more softer yellow tone. that the rocket is starting to bolt and grow leggy, I'm going to plant some lettuce into the polytunnel. Of course you can easily sow your own lettuce, but I didn't have much time, so I cheated by buying a few of these plants. Finally, the tulips also start flowering. This is a variety called Salmon van Eyck, but it is not quite the color that I expected it to be. I was hoping for a salmon apricot color that would match with the daffodil, but it is a little bit too red and too vibrant for my taste. On my side table I keep on swapping plants as soon as one has finished flowering. I hope you enjoyed my garden. Thank you ever so much for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.